It's finally here. Hello, hi there, I'm TechDweeb, welcome. Thanks for clicking on the video today. I've been waiting for this for so long. I feel like I'm the last dweeb in the YouTubes to get their hands on the OLED Steam Deck. I tried to order this pretty much the minute it was available. I sat there refreshing the page, had to keep logging back in, adding it to the cart. Oh, there's an error with the payment. Oh, now the site's down. Oh, they're temporarily out of stock. I wanted this limited edition so bad, and it seemed like it was slipping through my fingers, like I wasn't gonna get it. But then after trying for hours, I finally got my order to go through. Oh, I was so relieved. But then everyone else on YouTube started to get their Steam Decks, their OLED Steam Decks, their limited edition Steam Decks. Everyone's posting their reviews of the new Steam Deck, but mine took freaking forever to get to me. It was stuck in this shipping limbo for like a week and a half. Oh my gosh, the wait nearly killed me, literally. Anyways, it's finally here, and today we're going to unbox it. I'm going to open it up, drool over it, turn it on, get it all set up, and make sure it has no dead pixels, because that's a thing, and then play a game, and then a bit more drooling. So just some first impressions and get to the point of playing a game, just to check it out and make sure all's good, and then I'll be a happy dweeb. And I'll be getting a full review out to you in about a week after I've had a chance to play with it a bunch, so stay tuned for that. And I'll get subscribed if you haven't yet so you don't miss it. We'll use my official unboxing knife, the Schrade Old Timer. And in here, there it is. Oh my gosh. Oh, hold up. There's some writing all the places you can use the deck. In the test chamber, on the subway, on the couch, on the Ferris wheel, in a tent. Oh, that sounds like something I'd do. Oh my god, on the toilet. Yeah, no, that's not a thing. No OLED Steam Decks on the toilet, all right? Okay, well, let's do this little box first. I'm thinking this is the power supply. Yep, there it is. Oh, of course, there's a word paper. Let's check that out. Oh, wow. Electrical safety, something about risk of death, important stuff that I'm totally gonna read. So I think this should be the same as the regular Steam Deck. Yeah, 65 watt charger, same as the previous deck model. Oh, we got some peels on there. Quick like a band-aid. And now, on to the main event, the guest of honor, Steam Deck OLED limited edition. And it's got this like holographic stuff. You know, I would absolutely rather be unboxing this in the comfort of my couch without this camera shoved in my face, but this is for you. These are the sacrifices us YouTubers make for you dweebs, so you're welcome. Your games in a whole new light. Okay, if you say so. Let's peel this pull tab. Wow, that sucked. All right, well, here's the case. Nice blacked out Steam Deck logo. Oh, look at that, a little pouch for the charger. Charger in a pouch. That's nifty. Let's try it out. Oh, that's kind of crooked. That's not fitting. I guess I gotta straighten it out. Nah, screw it. I don't care right now. I'm not messing around with this. Oh, it looks like we have a fancy tamper-proof valve tag for security, I guess. It keeps the bad guys out. Oh, I see some orange. I've been so excited for this orange. Here we go. Oh, look at that. Is that not a thing of beauty? I've wanted to get my eyes on this thing ever since I knew about it. Not even my hands, just my eyes. Because in Valve's marketing, this orange looked pretty red. I didn't know if it would be more of a red or an orange, but as you can see, compared to my shirt, this is like 100% orange, almost perfectly orange. Maybe a very slightly reddish orange, but still super orange, you know? Yeah, you do. And here we go. Oh, something under there. Oh, wow. Okay. You know, it is lighter. I noticed it immediately. It's not a crazy lighter, but it is noticeably lighter. So what do we got here? Oh, that's our little screen wiper. Look at that, wipey screen thing. And let's look at the case, I guess. So we have this lovely pattern on the inside here, on the limited edition version. It's like a pattern of the internal components of the deck. What do we got here? The back plate, the front plate with the screen, the heat shield, triggers, the bumpers right there, and some buttons. What's this? The heat sink, I think. Yeah, that's cool. That's a super nice, classy pattern. Very cool. Hey, editing TechDweeb here. Real quick, I didn't record it at the time, but I wanted to show you that the case is actually a double layered case. It's like 2 cases in one. Double the cases, double the fun. So you can have the big outside of the case where you can keep the charger underneath, but also this inside part comes out. It's like a secret hidden case, and you can use the inside part as a slim case. And there it is. Isn't it beautiful? No. Well, you're wrong. It is. So this is the 1 terabyte limited edition Steam Deck with etched glass. I'm very used to the etched glass. I have a 512 LCD deck and that has the etched glass, and that's what I'm used to. I love the etched glass. I've seen with my own eyes the difference between the glossy screen and the anti-glare screen, and to be honest, one looks better in some situations and the other looks better in others, and overall they're basically about equal in terms of which is better overall. My personal preference is for the etched glass, so I'm glad that's what they have on the limited edition deck here. And let's take a look at the back. Oh yeah, there's that orange grill. Wow. That looks so beautiful. I love these little orange screws. That's such a small touch, but it's a very nice touch. I really appreciate stuff like that on limited edition products, these little touches. Another orange vent there, orange button. How freaking cool is that? I mean, first impressions are most important, and this thing gives an amazing first impression. The frosted plastic, it's not really what I'm used to seeing. It's quite a textured surface, like a frosted texture, and because of that, it diffuses the light more. It's sort of like seeing the ghost of the components inside rather than all the fine details. You know, like your mom's see-through nightgown. The grill is very interesting looking. Yeah, I didn't know how I felt about this stuff when I first saw it in the marketing, but now that I've seen it a lot, it's really grown on me, and I love the look of it. And the little punchy orange bits with the screws, just a nice little touch. I can't stop gawking at this thing. It's so beautiful. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Oh, I love it. Black and orange. Oh, where have you been all my life? I'm just in TechDweeb heaven right now. If you haven't noticed, I have a little bit of a thing for that color combo. It's sort of my jam, you know? Sort of my brand color. So from the moment that I saw this, I knew I had to have it. It feels like a Steam Deck made for me. Gabe Newell must be a big TechDweeb fan, obviously. Okay, let's do the setup procedure. Language, time zone, and the Wi-Fi password. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
That's amazing. I've got the same combination on my luggage.
All right, we are installing, doing an update, standard stuff. Okay, so now we wait. And try not to accidentally cancel the install as we continue to drool over the beautiful details of this amazing piece of tech. And here we are a few minutes later, and we're ready to log in. And there we go, all set up, ready to do stuff. That good old SteamOS interface. But right now, I really just need to know one thing. Does this screen have dead pixels? That seems like a pretty common issue, especially on the limited edition Steam Decks, and honestly, I can't rest until I've figured that out. So I'm gonna go over to desktop mode, install a browser, and pull up a dead pixel checker. I'm gonna bring you guys along for the ride. Man, I really gotta figure out how to film this screen. Kind of weird looking on the video. I'll figure it out later, though. Right now, we have a job to do. All right. Yeah, I think we're good here on the white. Hang on, I'm gonna look with my eyes close. Good, we're good. And no red dead pixels. I love me some Red Dead, but not when they're my pixels. And green is good, awesome. And blue is good. And back to white. Okay. Oh man, that's a relief. Wow. Okay, well, while I wait for my heart rate to go back to normal, let's just go back to game mode so that we can try a game, shall we? Yes, we shall. And there we go, completely up and running, ready to install some stuff. I'm gonna use my old SD card from my previous deck. I've been moving the games onto the card just so I don't have to re-download all my big games because I don't have the best internet. I'm in a rural area and I'm on Starlink, so I'm at the mercy of Elon Musk. So re-downloading everything just totally isn't something that I'd want to do on my internet. So I'm just gonna use that SD card and just use that to transfer my games over to the new hotness. I think for now though, I'm just gonna download one quick game. and we'll just get this going just so I can try one single game before we can safely say this deck is ready to rock. And there we go, my first game on the limited edition OLED deck, Bot Vice. I freaking love this game. I mean, yeah, this looks great. Wow. You know, I've heard good things about this OLED screen, how the lights are bright and colorful and the blacks are supposed to be really dark, like truly black. And now that I'm seeing it, I can safely say that the hype is not misplaced. This looks like beyond good. I can't believe how good this looks now that I'm seeing it with my eyes. I'll get into the details in my review, I'll do some comparisons. This is just first impressions, but man, the first impressions of this screen are that it is just about the nicest screen that I've ever seen. All right, well, there we go. There's your unboxing, first impressions, and my first gaming experience gaming on the OLED deck. And as always, the camera doesn't do it justice. It's an absolutely beautiful screen. I gotta figure out the best way to film this screen so that I could do it justice. Hopefully, I'll get that sorted by the time that I go to make my final review, which will be in about a week, I think. I want to live with it for a while and make sure that I don't run into any problems once the new toy infatuation is worn off, and I can give you an honest review. But it really does make a good first impression. I mean, right now, I think this is incredible. It's a beautiful device, and I'm so freaking happy now that I have this to play with. And the black and orange is just so me. It is my dweeby dream come true to have a Steam Deck that feels like it's made just for me. I feel so lucky right now. So let's put this little guy to bed. He's had a long day, and I have a games card to get ready, so we'll save the rest of the fun for a future video. That's going to be it for me today, so let me know what you think of the limited edition OLED deck. If there's anything you want to see in my review, anything you want me to test out, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, then check out this video, my recent Explain Like I'm 5, What is a Steam Deck? For those who don't know what a Steam Deck is, there's a link on the screen right now and down in the description below. And you can go watch it now because we're done. I'm TechDweeb. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.